Welcome back, Tigers! This video will cover how to use the free AppExchange app called Quiz Ninja in your digital experiences with your partner and customer users. This app will allow a user to take a quiz more than once, review their answers before submitting, and see the results immediately. Make sure to watch our video called Quiz Ninja for standard Salesforce users first. It will show you how to set up quizzes and answers. Let's learn how to configure Quiz Ninja for our external users. All right, we have Hanso here, who is a partner user, and we are going to configure the Quiz Ninja app to work for our partner users in this org. There's a couple of steps that you'll need to do to make sure that everything is set up correctly. So we're first going to go into Setup, and we're going to assign the permission set to our partner users. You'll go to Permission Sets. Choose the Quiz Ninja user permission set. You'll do a Manage Assignments. You'll add your assignment. You'll select your user. And now that permission set is assigned. Another step that you'll have to do is you will need to share the report and dashboard folders with your partner users. You're going to go to the folder called Quiz Ninja Reports, and you'll click Share. We're going to search for our partner user. Hopefully you have some roles that you can use. We do. We have one set up here. And then we'll go to our dashboard folder called Quiz Ninja Dashboards. We'll do a share here with our partner user as well. Our next step is to add our components to our digital experience. So we're going to go into Setup. We'll go to Digital Experiences, All Sites, and then the builder for our site. We've got a tile menu here, and the Take Quizzes tile component points to a custom page that we created called My Quizzes. We're going to go to that page, and we're going to drag and drop the components that we want to show on this page. We'll drag our dashboard. Make sure it's the My Quiz Performance dashboard because you want your user to see their own results. We'll drag and drop the flow. And you'll also need to drag and drop this record list to your page as well. On our flow, we need to make sure we choose the quiz flow. On our related list, you need to choose the quiz taker object and filter for the My Quizzes related list. And here's the recommended settings that we use for this related list. We'll publish these changes. Now we want to test what this looks like logged in as our partner user. We'll go back to Hanso's contact record and we'll log in to the experience as this user. We're going to click Take Quizzes. And we should see a couple of things. We should make sure that it says that the dashboard is being viewed as Hanso, as the person who you're logged in as. And then we can see two different quizzes to choose from because we have both of these active. We're going to click Begin Quiz. And then we're going to take it. We'll submit our answers. The partner users will be able to review and submit as well, just like the standard users if they want to. Now we can see that there's a record here where their user can go and view their answers if they choose to. And then we can come up here and refresh our dashboard. And we should see our score and all of our metrics refresh. Now from our dashboard that we have for our standard users, we should also see our partner users on the same dashboard if they're taking the same quiz. We'll refresh this, and now we can see that there are 3 people who have taken our quizzes, and we can compare their scores. All right, that's all the steps that you need to configure your digital experience for your Quiz Ninja application. That's it. That's a wrap. Be sure to subscribe to Blue Tiger Academy so you don't miss out on the next videos we are working on. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you see a feature missing from the Quiz Ninja app that you would like to see added. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.